Ok, amigos. Hola. ¿Cómo están? All right. We're going to try our best because that's the expectation is that we try our best every single day to learn at a distance. So I'm switching up a little bit how everything will look to you as we teach, but a lot of this should look very similar as to what it does when we're in class. So here we have the week that we are in. And I will be sending you a new unit, a new lesson every week. So this is our distance learning, educación a distancia, and this is week 1, semana uno. So this is our learning target, objeto de aprendizaje. And for my second graders, this is your learning target. I can understand places around town in Spanish, meaning that when I say the place around town in Spanish, I just want you to be able to recognize it. And my third and fourth graders, your objeto de aprendizaje is I can use Spanish to tell what places I am going to around town. So we're going to be using a little bit more conversational Spanish for my third and fourth graders. Where are you going? I'm going to school. Okay. I want you to be able to engage in a conversation. So this is what class will look like today. I want you to learn 2 new phrases in Spanish. Okay. Frases. Then we're going to go over our vocabulario. And then you will use your knowledge to do your actividad por Seesaw, your activity on Seesaw. Okay. So our first phrase, our first frase, I want you to learn is where are you going? Obviously, this is in English. Okay. Where are you going? This is how you say it in Spanish. All right. Listen and then repeat after me. ¿A dónde vas? Your turn. ¿A dónde vas? Okay, and that means where are you going? To where do you go? That's exactly what it sounds. That is what it translates to in Spanish. To where do you go? Where are you going? Because to where do you go sounds pretty weird, doesn't it? Yeah. So, ¿a dónde vas? Where are you going? Okay. And then if that's a question, you must use a complete sentence to answer your questions. All right. So if I was to ask you, where are you going in Spanish, or excuse me, in English, then you would answer, I am going to, and then you would add your place. See the dot, dot, dot? The dot, dot, dot right there? All right. That means that there's more to the sentence that we haven't said. So you would fill in your own answer right there. So in Espanol, this is what it sounds like. Listen and then repeat after me. Me voy a. Otra vez. Me voy a. And me voy a means I am going to. All right. So if you wanted to say I'm going to school, me voy a escuela. I'm going to the pool, me voy a la piscina. Okay. I'm going to the moon, me voy a la luna. Okay. Any place that you could go to, this is the phrase you would use. All right. Let's go ahead and get into our vocabulary. Let's take a look at this word, try to figure out what it might mean. All right. Now listen to me as I say it, and then I will have you repeat it at home. Okay. Because during your seesaw activity, you are going to have to fill in the answers and then record your voice as well. Okay. You are also recording your voice. You can do it in a video or a recording, but you are going to be speaking. So get used to repeating after me, sitting right there in front of your laptop. All right, let's go ahead and say this word. Repeat after me. La biblioteca. La biblioteca. All right. Now, this word, I'm not going to tell you, but you can take a look, figure out what you think it is. Yes, it's a library. La biblioteca is a library. This piece right here, biblio is usually a word that means and refers to books in a lot of different languages. So la biblioteca is a place where all the books are kept, a library. Okay. Now let's say we wanted to use these in our phrases. Where are you going? I am going to the library. This is what that would sound like in Spanish. ¿A dónde vas? Me voy a la biblioteca. Okay. Where are you going? I'm going to the library. All right. Very good. Moving on. Repítame. El banco. El banco. Think about what you believe this word might mean. Here are your pictures coming up. All right. El banco is a bank. El banco is a bank. It kind of looks like the word bank even. So where are you going? I am going to the bank. En español, ¿a dónde vas? Me voy al banco. Okay. It should be el banco, but when we are in Spanish, when you have a right before the article el, you get rid of the e and kind of mush them together. So the a will kind of take the place of the e for el banco. Me voy al banco. I'm going to the bank. All right. Repítame. El hospital. El hospital. Now, if you are reading this word, you will probably be able to figure it out pretty quickly. And this is a hospital. And this is our local hospital. This is the UVA hospital right here. Okay. All right. So, where are you going? I am going to the hospital. ¿A dónde vas? Me voy al hospital. Because it's el hospital. Me voy al hospital. Muy bien. All right. Your next word, repítame. La escuela. La escuela. All right. Think about this one. You should know it. Here's your picture. That's right. La escuela is school. Okay. La escuela is school. So, in English, where are you going? I am going to the school. ¿A dónde vas? Me voy a la escuela. Okay. I'm going to the school. Here's our next word. All right. Repítame. El parque. El parque. And I'm sure we've seen this word before and you should remember it. And yes, it is a park. Okay. It is a park. I believe this is Washington Park. Okay. Yeah, these are all Charlottesville places that we haven't seen in a very long time. I know I wanted to get you to see them. All right. So where are you going? I am going to the park. ¿A dónde vas? Me voy al parque. Al parque. Ok. Muy bien. ¿Avanzamos? Ok. Repíteme, por favor. La oficina de correos. All right. I'm going to say it again. La oficina de correos. It's a big word. Yeah. Now, la oficina de correos. You might not be able to figure this one out. You might see this one and say an office. It is an office. All right. This is a post office. And I couldn't find a very good picture of a post office for downtown, so here's like a little animated one. All right. So where are you going? I'm going to the post office. ¿A dónde vas? Me voy a la oficina de correos. Me voy a la oficina de correos. I'm going to the post office. All right. Here's our next palabra. La farmacia. La farmacia. Actually, no, I don't think I'm saying that one right. The more I look at this word, excuse me, friends, this should be said as la farmacia. La farmacia. That sounds better. La farmacia. La farmacia. All right. And this is a pharmacy. Okay. Yes, just like the CVS on the downtown mall. That is a pharmacy. Pharmacies are places where you go to get your prescriptions filled for when you are sick. Okay. All right. So, where are you going? I'm going to the pharmacy. ¿A dónde vas? Me voy a la farmacia. Okay. Muy bien. All right. I think we have two more places. Repítame. La iglesia. All right. La iglesia. La iglesia is the church. Okay. And I kind of advanced that one a little fast. I'm sorry about that. All right. It is the church. So where are you going? I'm going to the church. ¿A dónde vas? Me voy a la iglesia. A la iglesia. And I believe this is our last word. El restaurante. Repítame. El restaurante. El restaurante. And yeah, it does sound like a restaurant. And this is an example of a restaurant. Christian's Pizza on the downtown mall. It's one of my favorites. Mwah. All right. So where are you going? I am going to the restaurant. ¿A dónde vas? Me voy al restaurante. Me voy al restaurante. All right. And those are all of our places. Oh, wait. There's one more that snuck one in on me. Repítame. El cine. El cine. All right. This is a tricky one. This is a movie theater. And the Violet Crown on the downtown mall is a movie theater. All right. So, where are you going? I am going to the movie theater. ¿A dónde vas? Me voy al cine. I'm going to the movie theater. All right. So here are all of our words. La biblioteca, the library. El banco, the bank. El hospital, the hospital. La escuela, the school. El parque, the park. La oficina de correos, the post office. La farmacia, the pharmacy. La iglesia, the church. El restaurante, the restaurant. And el cine, the movie theater. All right. So I'm going to stop here. Practice these phrases. Watch this video as many times as you need to so that you feel comfortable when you do your activity next. Adios, amigos.